Hello, flute players. It's actually pretty cool that I'm standing here with a flute right now because normally I'm not the world's best flute player. But I'm going to try it for you guys today because I'm always here for you. And I want you to see how you get a sound for, number one, getting a good sound versus a bad one. And two, making sure that you move your fingers correctly while holding the flute. So first, let's do this. We're going to show you how to get a good, what I call a sweet spot sound on your head joint. So what you do, you put the head joint right over the center of the lips, the hole. Then you roll it down like you see Mr. Thomas rolling it down. And look at the hole right here. I can see the hole right below the center part of the fleshy part of my lip. So when I put my hand over it like this, I blow the air and I get a train whistle. You want a nice, even train whistle. Watch this. Ready? Train whistle. And notice my train whistle produces a triangle of air that goes on the end of the lip plate. If you get that triangle right there, that shows that you're doing really awesome. So here it is again. Listen to Thomas. Whole note. Ready? Deep breath. Say with a U and poo. Ready? And. Okay? So that's what you got to practice for your head joint practice, or what we call getting a good sound. So now we're going to transition into playing the actual flute. So what I want you to do when you put your flute together is, number one, you want to hold the instrument correctly. Put your thumb on the long thumb key, first key without the very top one, skip that one, skip another one, 2, 3. Okay, so see this key right here in the middle? You're going to skip that one so you don't see it. And then down here at the very bottom, you're going to finger the last 3 keys before the foot joint. See the last 3, finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. Then my pinky goes down here on the pinky key, okay? So when we play line 14, which I'm about to play for you, use the fingerings for D, which is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, that first finger by itself, and B flat, thumb 1 on 1. Refer to your fingering chart that I gave you for more help. Okay, so here we go. This will be pretty good if Thomas can actually get this. Let's see what happens. First, let me see if I can get my D out for you guys. All right? So I got D. I got my, let me stand back over here so you guys can see my fingering, okay? See my fingering for the D? Here it is. Ready? Now, see, my sound is kind of airy because I'm a brass player and I'm not the world's best flute player. I'm just doing this to help you guys get a decent sound, okay? So there's my D again. Listen to my pout and poo. Pout, poo. And notice my sound did not come out very well when I first started, but I moved the flute around until I found my sweet spot. Find your sweet spot, okay? So here it is again, me trying to find my sweet spot. Ooh, that sounds good. So that's my sweet spot. All right, here we go. Ready? Line 14. 1, 2, ready. Now, hopefully you noticed when I played my D a couple of times, it didn't quite come out right. That's because some of my keys were not closing like they were supposed to, okay? So don't get all bent out of shape if one of your notes doesn't come out correctly. That's okay. You're a 6th grader. It's going to take you a while. But also make sure you're holding the air throughout the note. Like watch me play just D, C, and B flat, holding my air out without actually going, don't do this, Pop the Magic Dragon. Okay, that obviously does not sound good. So, okay, so you're going to get this right here, holding the air out. And I played all that on one breath, okay? And the second thing is to make sure you don't go too fast. Because if you try to go too fast, you get this. And it sounds like some kind of weird Japanese air machine, okay? So, the rules of thumb are slow down, take it slower, keep the air moving, and then find your sweet spot on the head joint and then go to flute so you have a good sound like Mr. Thomas did. And if I had a good sound, you can definitely get a good sound. I'm not a very good flute player. So there you go. Happy practicing, and we'll see you soon.